Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before you jump into the fun, let's quickly go over everything you need to know before you arrive, like age limit, activity duration, what to bring, and a few things you'll need before you arrive, like completing the waiver and the jet ski exam. We'll also cover the basics for each activity. Make sure to check it all out before you arrive and hit the link below for the full written version. Now let's get started. Feel free to jump ahead to whatever interests you most. I've added chapters in the timeline below, and you can find quick links in the section in the video description. Before we go into the specific requirements for each activity, let's quickly go over some general rules that apply to all our experiences. First things first, everyone needs a valid government ID at check-in, and if you're bringing minors along, a parent or a legal guardian must be present. We take safety seriously, so no drugs or alcohol before any activity. We want you to have a great time, but especially a safe time. If you have any medical conditions, be sure to be whether this activity is right for you. If you're pregnant, some activities may not be permitted, so check with us before. Swimming skills also are not required, but most activities need you to be sure that you are calm when you're in the water. We also provide you with all safety gear that you need to keep you safe while you're enjoying your activity. First up, we have parasailing, one of our top activities here at Miami Watersports. Your entire boat excursion will be up to 1 hour with a flight time of 7 to 10 minutes of pure excitement, soaring up to 400 feet high. It's truly breathtaking up there, trust me. You need to be 5 years old minimum to fly. There are a maximum of 12 participants per trip. You can fly solo, double, or in groups of 3. Now, if you're flying solo, we may have to match you with someone to meet minimum weight requirements. Flyers always get priority over spectators, but if there's room, non-flyers can join the boat too. You can stay dry on this activity. However, we highly recommend asking for a refreshing water dip. Oh, and if you're gonna bring your phone, I would highly recommend getting one of our phone cases, because if you drop your phone from up there, it's gone, trust me. And what also has been very popular is our photo package, where our mate will take up to 80 pictures of you enjoying your experience. Ready to hop on your ski? Let's go through a couple of the basics. First up, age limit. You need to be 18 years old to drive, 6 years old to be a passenger. We keep things safe with a 350-pound weight limit per ski, so you might want to get your own. Quick heads up on paperwork. You need to bring your government photo ID, the physical ID, plus you need to take a test from the city if you're born after January 1st, 1988. It's quick though, and we'll get you right on the water. One more thing, we take a $150 deposit per ski, and as long as the ski comes back fine, we'll get your money right back. We swap out our skis often so everyone's safe. Before you hit the water, our instructors will go through all the safety precautions here on the dock. We have a great riding zone for you to go fast, slow, and do whatever you guys want. You're gonna have a great time. Ever dreamed of flying like Iron Man? Well, that's exactly what flyboarding feels like. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. You'll get a 20-minute session with one of our instructors who help you learn the basics. And don't worry, you don't need to bring any gear. We have you all covered. Most people usually get the hang of it within 5 to 10 minutes. Don't worry, you'll be flying quickly. And hey, if you want to bring any friends, bring them along and let them film you from the dock. So you're thinking about riding the speedboat. Great choice. First things first, anyone 5 years old or older can ride, so it's perfect for families. There's no weight limit, and the boat can hold up to 18 passengers per trip, so bring your crew. The ride lasts about 30 minutes. It's a wild one. It isn't some slow sightseeing trip. There's twists, turns, and you will get wet. If you don't want to get wet, bring a poncho with you. Here's the deal. We need at least 10 people to run this ride. But hey, if we don't get enough people, no worries. We'll hook you up with an awesome boat tour instead. It's just on a little smaller boat, and it's more of a sightseeing experience, but it's fast and fun. You'll love it. Guys, thinking about hopping on the banana boat? Here's everything you need to know. First off, we have a 4-year-old age minimum, 30 minutes per ride, and 6 maximum passengers per activity. Now let's talk about the ride itself. It's fast, it's fun, and yes, you might fall off, but that's part of the experience. But don't worry, you'll have one of your protective foam helmets to keep you safe. If you want a ride that's a little less crazy, we recommend the boat tour. And pro tip, if you're planning on taking photos, buy one of our protective foam waterproof cases. It'll keep your phone safe, and also you can buy our GoPro package, which is amazing, and we take some amazing photos for you.